Welcome to English Grammar and Writing Skills course of EduBoom EdTech. You're watching the video with Manisha Bedi and the topic for the day is advertisements. We have already talked about different types of letter forms. We all talked about job application and biodatas. Now we're going to talk about advertisements. Alright. Now what are advertisements? Before moving on, before talking about the types of advertisements, I would like to share some of the things like people around discuss about, have you seen that Fair Lovely ad, have you seen that Maggie Nestle ad, have you seen that soft drink ad. Okay, so there are different things coming out nowadays, like emphasizing on different things, that use of sanitary napkins, to not nowadays because of COVID pandemic, so they talk about that why it is necessary to pull off your mask and keep wearing them, the use of the sanitizer, use of Dettol. Okay, these are the things they emphasize on. All right, so these are basically the advertisements. Afterwards, you must have watched, like if you are fond of reading the newspapers, you must have noticed that there is a classified page found in newspaper. Okay, there you will see matrimonials ad. All right, that they would be asking for, like, match is required, perfect match is required, the boy is Mangalik or the girl is Mangalik, height, they would specify the height, the education qualifications, their expectations, dowry or no dowry, and all whatever they would want, they will put out in the matrimonials. All right, so this is one such thing. Second, lost and found cases, they would put that. Even you must have noticed, like, what people would do, people put to let sign, okay, on their, like, property, to rent out their property, to rent out their flats. All right, in that case, what happens, if people would be moving around, they will see that sign and they will go and ask the owner that they can purchase their property, or they can rent out their property or not, so as to live in. Okay, so these things go on. These are the types of providing the advertisements. Now, why are these advertisements done? Why are these advertisements put up? These advertisements basically are done for the promotion of a particular product or a service. All right, for a selling point of view, or to attract the people of a particular community or range. All right, for example, you should drink women Horlicks after the age of 35-40, they say. Okay, because your bones become brittle. Okay, because women have to work hard carrying the babies and everything, they go through a lot. So that is why it is said in the ads that women should drink women Horlicks, okay, after the age of some particular, after their late 30s, okay, in their start 40s, and in their 30s and 40s, they say that. So what's the reason? So these are like putting off the ad, that they will attract the group, the particular community. Okay, they are emphasizing on the women. Okay, for children, for small children, they emphasize on Maggie and these things, or ice creams. They put off the ad like that. Okay, so that even LIC ads and all, they try to make it innovative in such a way that even if there are some of the ads are our favorite ads, we love watching the ads. Okay, we love watching the ads. Okay, so they put out their concept in an innovative way. So there's a lot of competition in between. Okay, nowadays you must have seen that Wow shampoo, onion seed oil, they are selling their products. Okay, they are saying that if you are suffering from hair fall and all, they put these ads in such a way, they are doing it again and again. Like, even if you are, like, using YouTubes and other social platforms other than TVs, other than listening to TV and watching TV and listening to radios, you must have noticed they are putting off, they are just promoting, so that it will be attracted, you will get attracted. You must have seen the different applications also, like Meesho, Nykaa sale is there, Flipkart sale and all. They try to attract the people towards them. All right, you will get informed there, and then you will try to purchase your things. Okay, so this is the way advertisement. This is the reason that an advertisement is put off. Now, advertisement are of basic two types. All right, advertisement are of two types. First is classified advertisements, and second is commercial advertisement. All right, so you must have noticed in classified advertisement, what comes in classified advertisement, I talked about lost and found, matrimonials, okay, lost and found, matrimonials, too late, found to for a home tutor, for example, tutors for the tuition purpose, okay, sale and purchase of a particular product, for example, and for any electronic device, let's say, or situation vacant or wanted. So these are the ads which are put off. Now what is commercial? Commercial advertisements are one that you watch in the TV or the radios, all right, or different social platforms. So that is a commercial advertisement which mainly focuses on selling of a product. Okay, what they do, they sell that product. They basically emphasize on the product sale and its promotion. So in order to get their product sale out, what they do is they promote their product. Okay, the best example is Wow and all. Even I guess I'm also promoting. I'm also one such person who is taking that example and promoting, okay, promoting their product. So this is how we do. The more you, even when you will get the ad, if you feel innovative, if you sorry, I'm really sorry. If in any case you feel attracted towards the ad, what you would do, you will go and discuss with your family members that I think I should buy that. I am suffering from this hair fall. My hair is like grayish and all. My hair, I am suffering from that hair graying issues or hair fall. So I think I should try out this shampoo. I have tried so many shampoos and conditioner, and let's see that if it works out for me or not. Okay. So in these things, what you're going to do, if people also do that, okay, and people, let's talk about women are like very much fond of doing this because they cannot digest anything. They will just put up the leftovers to everyone, discuss up to everyone. That you saw that ad was kind of attractive. I think I should try it out. So these are the things, okay, advertisements help you. Even you will, if you go through some of the slogans, for example, Fair and Lovely, Nirma Sabun, and there are so many things you would see, alright. So there are some of the slogans which give you that childhood memories, childhood vibes. You must have, everyone do have some childhood vibes, okay. So I guess the difference between classified advertisement and commercial advertisement and what is advertisement is very much understood to you. Now we are going to talk about format of the advertisement. All right. Now, what is the format of advertisement? What are the rules you must? What are the rules? What are the important, crucial points which you have to take care about? First thing is you have to emphasize on a attractive and catchy caption or phrase. Okay, जैसे for example you must have like heard that डर के आगे जीत है, okay, डर के आगे जीत है type, or stay healthy, stay fit, okay, Fortuna, different type of oil they are using up, different type of cooking oil, they talk about slogans. So there are different slogans, okay, stay safe, stay home. Nowadays pandemic, we all are surrounded with the pandemic thing. They have done with कि सावधान रहें, सतर्क रहें, okay, एक गज की दूरी, मास्क है जरूरी. So what are these? These are the catchy captions. Okay, these are the catchy captions. It attracts us. It attracts the viewers. It attracts the listeners, and it is even understandable. You understand what they are trying to say to you, how they are trying to reach to you. Okay, so actually you do understand. You do understand it. So you must take care of one thing is that your caption should be to the point. To the point means you must take care of that you are emphasizing on the purpose, okay, and it should be in a very innovative, attractive, in a catchy way. All right. Then comes the second point. It should be a figurative language. You can use a metaphoric language. You can use alterations. So it can be figurative language. You have to take care of this thing that if suppose you are putting out a language which is just not understandable by the viewers, then how is it helpful? It is not helpful in any way, right? So you have to take care of these things that it is understandable to the viewers, to the people of all community. Okay. Now let's talk about the third thing. Third is proportionate spacing of fonts with different sizes. You have to take care of these things. You will not use the advertisement should be very much in a creative way. and it should be very much like attractive way. So you can use the fonts or fonts of different sizes. For example, depending upon the purpose, like if you want to write lost and found, you have to use the obvious big fonts for it, and if you're trying to write the content or anything, you have to put small font. Okay, so these things you have to take care. You have to make it attractive and reasonable and very much accessible and convenient for the reader or the viewer. Okay, so you can use the fonts of different sizes. Okay, now it should be usually attractive with catchy slogans. You can write slogans, you can use winky faces, you can use witty expressions. Okay, expressions. You can also put out some picture or sketching can also be done. Then comes the fifth point. Fifth is, if you are trying to sell a product, okay, sell a product or promote a product, or there is some sales short of something discount, you can put out the discount rates there. Okay, you can put out the discount rates or special offer. You must have seen people do that. Okay, in the commercial advertisement you would see that rupees 999 sale. Okay, and we get attracted. So this is one type of advertisement idea. See, they do not put off 100, they don't put 1000, sorry, 1000, okay, 3 zeros. So they don't put rupees 1000, but they use this rupees 999, rupees 799, rupees 798. These attract the people. If you put 1000, they will think that, oh my god, this is such a huge load of money, there's such huge amount. But if you put rupees 999, they will think that they are getting a heavy discount. So this is a way of attracting people, alright, or attracting the customers. Then the details of the product or event should be in a very clear and precise way. Okay, it should be very much clear and in a precise way. You have to give out your contact number, or you have to put out the name, the address, so that whosoever reads it, views it, they can contact you. They can go through the name list, the contact and address. So every relevant details should be put off in the advertisement, and you have to present the matter in a box. All right, so there are two things. One, in the notice you present the matter in a box, and in case of advertisement you put the matter in a box. All right, the matter is put in a box.